Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure connection and settings are ready. This saves time. Check battery level and pair status on your phone or Mac. If they aren't connected, open the case and tap Connect. Once connected, make sure automatic ear detection is enabled so pausing can be immediate when you remove one bud. Also decide which device is primary. Play a short track to verify audio routes correctly, because a confirmed route avoids confusion later. Now you perform the pause itself. Learn how your model responds. For Airpods 1/2 use double tap if configured. For Airpods Pro and later, press the force sensor once to pause. If you prefer screen controls, open Control Center and tap the media pause button. This is useful when gestures are misconfigured. You can also say, "Hey Siri, pause" if voice is active. This works across distance, but requires Siri enabled. Make sure to try each method. Finish by verifying the pause took effect. Look at your device's media widget and confirm audio is halted. If nothing changed, make sure the gesture mapping matches the action you tried. Open Bluetooth settings and customize the double tap or press behavior. When problems persist, restart Bluetooth, charge the buds in case, then try again. Often a quick reset resolves glitches. If all else fails, reset the Airpods to factory settings. This removes paired devices, so repair and test immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.